Tibet! China rise, Tibetan die! China rise, Tibetan die! Tenzin Delek! Tenzin Delek! China's coming! China's coming! 10 years too long! Release Tenzin Delek now!
So this is the Lhakar weekly visual that has been happening for a couple of months now, and it's actually something that's been happening in many other cities. Everyone knows how critical the situation is inside Tibet, and Tibetans and supporters in places like Boston, New York, Toronto, Dharamsala, the Midwest, in Charlottesville. Now it's going to happen also in France. So in a number of other cities, people are getting together every single Wednesday in order to appreciate and promote the concept of Lhakar, where you promote Tibetan culture, practice Tibetan language, tradition, which is under threat from the Chinese government's repression. So today we are highlighting the case of Tenzin Delek Rinpoche, who is a political prisoner, a prisoner of conscience inside Tibet, who was arrested 10 years ago. And this Saturday marks 10 years since Rinpoche has been arrested, and he was first sentenced to death, and later, because of international pressure and the entire Tibet movement coming together on his behalf, his sentence was commuted to life imprisonment.
내가 제수지 가르쳐거든요. rumpuchege 주다 남바콘데 아니 배나올라 아니 재미게 딘데 담더요다 아니 가두이나 야와 rumpuchege 가서 찌들지나 머리 튼들 용거래서 이게 틱 가두이는 송거. 되게 내가 가르친 거서는 rumpuche 송어야. 아니 야와 rumpuchela 아니 카드랑 라이나 머리 카드 당게 왔다스. 이게 틱틱 아니 머리 카드 당게를 마도 자나주고 튼들 용거 말해서 야와 rumpuchege 지송 가르치나 머리 튼들 용거리 예요 대자 용거 된자 용거래 당나라 시대 용거래 rumpuchege 또 된는 거. 되지 따디선 따다래 근도와 야와 rumpuche 콜라 테메르리 쉬운데 자나 배나라 간데 용도 머리 카드 당도 문도 원에 rumpuche 롱땡 원에 자워요.
So most people here are already familiar with the case of Tenzin Delek Rinpoche. Most people already know who he is and the fact that he was imprisoned by the Chinese government for crimes that he never committed. I would just like to take this opportunity to tell a little bit more about the background of Rinpoche, because Rinpoche really was, before his arrest, he really was one of the pioneers among Tibetan leaders in terms of promoting the social welfare of the Tibetan people, in terms of promoting the rights of children, the rights of women. I would like to ask everybody to visit the freetenzin.org website. Please take the time, freetenzin.org. Go to that website, and there are a couple of different actions that you can take that are really important. One thing you can do on that website is you can just click a button and send a petition to Zhou Yongkang, the Chinese leader who has literally built his career right now, climbed this career ladder based on how much he has made the Tibetan people's life more difficult and worse. You can also send a petition to your elected representatives, to your congressional representatives, and ask them to petition the Chinese government so they can put a different kind of pressure on the Chinese government on a peer-to-peer level. And there is a poster that you can download of Zhou Yongkang. So Zhou Yongkang, this Chinese leader, his face you can see on the website, and you can download this poster. And what we are saying is Zhou Yongkang is the real person who is wanted, who should be arrested for his crimes against humanity inside Tibet, and he is the person who should be arrested. And this is a wanted poster that we have designed, that we encourage people to put everywhere, print them and put these posters up everywhere you can, but particularly in places near the Chinese consulates, so that we get to personalize the repression of the Chinese government. Right now he is trying to hide behind this building the brick buildings over here or these massive structures in the Zhongnanhai in Beijing. You know, that's what they want to do. They commit these crimes, they want to hide, they want to remain faceless. But our job is to make him known to everyone as the butcher of Tibet, as the person who is responsible for the crimes, and we encourage everybody to please print the posters and distribute them everywhere.
Going to send a message to Joyang Pong that he's a criminal and that he's wanted for his crimes against Tenzin Delek Rinpoche, and he has the power to release Tenzin Delek Rinpoche, and Tenzin Delek should be free now, because every day that he's in prison is one day too long.
Joyang Pong is the criminal and not Tenzin Delek Rinpoche. Is it walk?
We're never going to stop going after him until Tenzin Delek is released, because this man right here has made his career torturing, imprisoning, trying to destroy the Tibetan spirit, trying to destroy it forever, and the Chinese government, their time will come, they will fall, and Tibet will be free.